Scan and QR code winner 25 rand. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 0, Chippa 0. I'm joined by my brother Kamabanu Puma.
Ichipha namhlanje inezela khona asekhola amachera loyal ngoba ithe yadliwa iPirates yaqoma inodliwa na iChiefs ayifuna ubali ihule iChipha.
I just want to say, man, thank you to Chippa for his cancellation for the whole of December. Until the AFCON, we know he supporters the Chiefs. These are supporters in your country that are playing to support the Pirates. But it was a good game. I don't want to lie. Both teams came to the party. But man of the match here, George Matlo, I just want to say he looks better on the bench. I didn't see him today.
George Matlo looks better on the bench.
On the bench. Bengifuna ukuthula, akuvuma ukuthula. Uyazi ama requirement afunekayo ukuze usupport Orlando Pirates yini? Isitifiketi sokuzalwa. Kumele ube naso nje ukuze ube support Pirates. But ma uyisupport Kaizer Chiefs, funeka ube ne passport and ibe ne visa available ngoba se Africa.
I just want to correct this. You must. I just want to correct. Caf Light. This is not Caf Champions League. Caf Light. Buy Libalo or Light. Thank you, Steve.
Thank you, Pani. Scan and QR code